Dear students, good morning to everyone. I am Dr. Kalaivani KN, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, GFGC, Onekal, Bangalore. In previous class, we have seen the secondary overhead distribution summary. Today also, we are going to see the secondary overhead distribution summary. Let me read the problem. Calculate the overheads applicable to production departments A and B. There are also two service departments X and Y. X renders service worth rupees 12,000 to Y and the balance to A and B as 3:2. Y renders service to A and B as 9:1. Here the basis of apportionment given. Then next is the expenses. Let me read. Floor space square feet A 5,000, B 4,000, X 1,000 and Y 2,000. Assets in lakhs. A 10 lakhs, B 5 lakhs, X 3 lakhs and Y 1 lakh. Horsepower of machines A 1000, B 500, X 400 and Y 100. Number of workers A 100, B 50, X 50 and Y 25. Light points, number of light points A 50, B 30, X 20 and Y 20. Here the expenses as given. Depreciation 1,90,000, rent and rates 36,000, insurance 15,200, power 20,000, canteen expenses 10,800, electricity 4,800. Let we see these expenses. What is the most equitable basis given here? Depreciation on the basis of asset value, rent and rates on the basis of floor space, insurance on the basis of asset value, then canteen number of workers, electricity number of light points given here. Okay, this is the most equitable basis to apportion the expenses to various departments. This part let we see later. This is the first part and this is the second part. Okay. Let we see the first part. See, this is secondary overhead distribution summary. We have to prepare like that. Okay. First we go to calculation. First calculation. Depreciation 1,90,000. On the basis of asset value, depreciation value given in the problem 1,90,000. We have to find out the ratio on the basis of asset value. The ratio is 10:5:3:1. Then, how to calculate the depreciation for the portion of A and the portion of B, C, D like that. Now, by using this ratio, we have to calculate the depreciation department A. 10 divided by 19. How we got 19 here? 10 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 19. Okay. Total ratio. That particular department ratio divided by total ratio into that expenses. Okay. 10 divided by 19 into 1,90,000. We will get 1 lakh. Then 5 divided by 19 into 1,90,000, we will get 50,000. Then 3 divided by 19 into 1,90,000, we will get 30,000. 1 divided by 19 into 1,90,000, we will get 10,000. Next, I move on to rent and rates. Rent and rates given in the problem 1,30,000. It is on the basis of floor space. The ratio as calculated by using floor space 5:4:1:2. Here we are doing the calculation and allocating the expenses to various departments. 5 divided by 12 into 36,000, we will get 15,000. Then 4 divided by 12 into 36,000, we will get 12,000. Then 1 divided by 12 into 36,000, we will get 3,000. Then 2 divided by 12 into 36,000, we will get 6,000. Next, I move on to insurance. Insurance rupees 15,200 given in the problem. It is on the basis of asset value. So we already calculated the asset value ratio. We have to brought into here. The ratio 10:5:3:1. How we calculate? 10 divided by 19 into 15,200. We will get 8,000 insurance of department A. Then insurance value of department B, 5 divided by 19 into 15,200 will get 4,000. Then C, 3 divided by 19 into 15,200, that is 2,400. 1 divided by 19 into 15,200, how we 15,200 we brought here. That is insurance value given in the problem. That is 800. Next, power on the basis of horsepower. That is 2000. Ratio 10:5:4:1. 10 divided by 20 into 20,000 will get 10,000. 5 divided by 20 into 20,000, 5,000. 4 divided by 20 into 20,000, we will get 4,000. 1 divided by 20 into 20,000, we will get 1,000. Next is canteen expenses. Canteen expenses is 10,800 given in the problem on the basis of number of employees. Number of workers ratio. That number of workers given in the problem 100:50:50:25. What is the ratio here? From number of workers, we are calculating the ratio 4:2:2:1. Then canteen expenses have to allocate to various departments. 4,800, 2,400, 2,400, 1,200. We have calculate like this. 4 divided by 9 into 10,800. 2 divided by 9 into 10,800. 2 divided by 9 into 10,800. And 1 divided by 9 into 10,800. We arrived at this data. Then electricity. Last one, electricity. Electricity value given in the problem 4,800 is on the basis of light points. Number of light points given in the problem, that is we are finding out the ratio 5:3:2:2. Okay. Then we have to calculate the portion of the electricity to various department, production department as well as service department. Electricity 5 divided by 12 into 4,800, that is 2,002A, and 3 divided by 12 into 4,800, that is 1,200. Then 2 divided by 12 into 4,800, 800. 2 divided by 12 into 4,800, 800. Next, we will go to main picture. This is the main picture. Depreciation. Depreciation we calculated on the basis of asset value 10:5:3:1. Okay. The total 1,90,000. Production department 1,50,000 A and B respectively. Then service department 30,000, 10,000 X and Y respectively. Then rent and rates on the basis of floor space 5:4:1:2. Total 36,000. It is given in the problem. In A and B, A 15,000 rent and rates. For B rent and rates 12,000. For X rent and rates 3,000. For Y rent and rates 6,000. Insurance on the basis of asset value all calculated. We have to brought into here. It is on the basis of 10:5:3:1. Total 15,200 given in the problem. A 8,000, B 4,000, X 2,400 and Y 800. Power. Power on the basis of horsepower of machine 10:5:4:1. Then the total given in the problem 20,000. Then department A, that is apportionment of department A by using these ratios 10,000, B 5,000, X 4,000 and Y 1,000. Next, canteen expenses. We see in the canteen expenses, number of workers we have to take into the base. That ratios 4:2:2:1. Then the amount given in the problem, the expenses, canteen expenses is 10,800. The production department 4,800. The B's portion 2,400. Service department portion 2,400 and service department Y 1,200. Electricity. Last one, electricity. It is on the basis of light points 5:3:2:2. The electricity given in the problem 4,800. It apportion 2,000 to A, 1,200 to B, 800 to X and 800 to Y. Then total. We have to total all these things. First you total the total column. You will arrive 2,76,800. Then production department, then service department. Production department A total 1,39,800. Production department total of B 74,600. Service department X, the total of service department X 42,600. Then Y, total of Y 19,800. Okay, this is the all be posted here. Next, from the calculation. Next part is allocation of service department expenses to production departments. That is, what are the service department here X and Y. Here department X, department Y. The ratio has given already given in the problem. We are allocating, and some adjustment has given in the problem asking to make. So we have to make the calculation for these things. Move on to calculation. Calculation to allocation of service department expenses to production departments. First one, it has given in the problem, X renders service worth rupees 12,000 to Y and the balance in the ratio of 3:2 A and B. See, X renders services worth rupees 12,000 to Y. This is the first adjustment. So first one, 12,000 worth of service rendered to Y by X. So what is the total of X? 42,600. From 42,600, we have to allocate 12,000 to Y. Next step is already have 42,600. This 12,000 we have to deduct from the 42,600. We will get the portion of X 30,600. This 30,600 only to allocate to A and B in the ratio of 3:2. Okay. 3 divided by 5 into 30,600. How we got the 42,600, the X grand total, and we have to deduct 12,000, that is from Y, that is from X, render to Y. So we are deducting 30,600 balancing figure to apportion to A and B and the ratio of 3:2. So we are calculating here 18,360 and 12,240 X and Y respectively. Then the second calculation. Y renders service to A and B in the ratio of 9:1. Okay. Coming to Y. Y's total 19,800 we already calculated plus 12,000. How we brought here 12,000? The 12,000 from X. We have to add with total of Y plus this 12,000. We will get 31,800. 31,800 to A and B in the ratio of 9:1. Okay. 31,800. Okay. 9 divided by 10 into 31,800. 28,000. That is 9 part. 98. Sorry. 28,620. In 1 divided by 10 into 31,800, 3,180. That's all about the calculation for the second part. Let me move to the problem. See here, we already calculated and posted everything here. This is the first part. What is the next part? I told allocation of service department expenses to production departments. See here, these are the service department expenses. Department X first allocated 12,000 to Y, then the remaining amount allocation on the basis of 3:2. We already done in the calculation 18,360, 12,240. Here department Y is not rendered any services to X. The whole amount distributed to A to B, 9:1. That is 28,620, 3,180. This is the total, the main total as well as the A and B's total we have to make. How we arrived? 1,39,800 plus 18,360, 28,620. We arrived 1,86,780. Here 74,600, 12,240 plus 3,180. We arrived at 90,020. We allocated the two service department expenses to the two production departments. Dear students, in the calculation, here it is X and Y, it is not C and D. Okay. For reference, I have given M.N. Arora, Cost Accounting, Himalaya Publication, New Delhi. Then R.G. Saha and others, Cost Accounting, Vision Publishing House, New Delhi. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you, students. Let me see in the next class.